Hey guys, welcome back to a new one, and today we are talking about how to uninstall or delete and also remove Alpha Hybrid Launcher. Many users have downloaded this launcher or enabled this application to their mobile phones, home or as a default launcher. But now they are in a problem, they are in a difficulty where they cannot be able to uninstall or delete this launcher. Obviously, it is very simple if you follow these simple steps. First of all, you need to do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips, tricks, and reviews. So, how to do that or uninstall or also remove this application? Just from the left to right, a little scroll, then go down, click on the S from here, alphabet S, then go to settings. Okay, then when you come to settings, choose the apps. After choosing apps, select Alpha Hybrid Launcher, then go a little down. From here you can see the uninstall option is not working, so don't worry, just click on home screen, then change it to One UI Home or any other launcher which you have. Okay, then again go to settings, click apps, select again Alpha Hybrid Launcher, then click on uninstall button. Once you click on uninstall button, then you can easily uninstall Alpha Hybrid Launcher and remove Alpha Hybrid Launcher successfully. I hope it's a short tutorial helped you so much, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.